Cabo, me name na Imani. Na well body work I dey do. I dey work with belle woman dem na the well body clinic na the area. Today, I don come for check belle woman dem blood pressure and the way their heart dey beat with this CRADLE VSA. The CRADLE VSA na one equipment wey dem dey use for check belle woman dem blood pressure and the way their heart dey beat. All belle woman for do dem check here for know if dem dey do fine. E fine for check belle woman in blood pressure and the way im heart dey beat because this can notice thing dem wey go ambog the woman and im pikin. High blood pressure can be one sign for show say the belle woman get pre-eclampsia. This na sick wey belle woman can get. If dem not treat am, e no can fine for the pikin and sometimes the woman can get fix, stroke or even die. Low blood pressure can be one sign for bleeding or sick wey dey spread. If dem not treat am, e can make the woman and im pikin die. The new CRADLE VSA simple for use. When e dey show green light, the woman get well body. When e dey show yellow light with arrow wey dey point up or down, then you need for do more check or treatment dem. When e dey show red light, you need for do something quick one. I go begin for show you how for use the CRADLE VSA. Before dem do the test, if the woman not sick, e for blow first for 5 minutes. Then, e for sit down some side where e go lean him back and put him foot flat na ground. Draw im clothes up na im hand and put im hand aside where e go lay am fine. E get two size dem. The normal size go do for boku woman dem. Put am pa im hand for make e no comot. When you tight the thing, make the iron pass over the black mark. If e no reach, then e too small. Use the big one. Check for see if the yellow mark don pass the woman in elbow. E forget space for 2 fingers between the machine and the elbow. Put the machine on. Wait till the machine make noise. Then the CRADLE VSA go don ready for use. Make sure say the woman sit down quiet one. Begin press the machine. Left for press am where the machine make other noise. This go happen where the number don pass 180. If you see the arrow again, press the machine back till the arrow out. The breeze go comot for himself. Wait till you able to see the blood pressure and the heart rate na the screen. When you see the green light, the woman in blood pressure and in heart rate normal. When you see the yellow light with arrow where they point up or down, you for check am back all time where the woman don blow for 15 minutes. When e still dey show yellow light, you need for do more check dem. I go explain wetin you for do if the light yellow and the arrow dey point up. Arrow wey dey point up mean say the blood pressure high. Sometimes the woman gets pre-eclampsia, sick wey belle woman can get. If you able, check im piece for protein. Take im blood for check how much blood e get and for check im kidney and liver. Watch the pikin na the woman in belle. Give medicine like methyl dopa or nifedipine for make the blood pressure calm down. If you not able do dem here, send the woman go clinic wey dey near, wey go able do dem here inside 24 hours if e possible. I go explain wetin you for do if the light show yellow and the arrow dey point down. Where the light show yellow and the arrow dey point down, this means say the blood pressure low or the heart dey beat quick one. You need for check the woman and decide wetin for do. E dey bleed, e get fever, e dey feel pain all time. Where e no get same problem there and e look and feel well, you no need for do something quick one. The light wey yellow with arrow wey dey point down can be normal for belle woman, but sometimes the woman no get water na im body or e no get blood. you for think if you go do test for check them thing there. Where the light yellow with arrow where they point down and it dey bleed, get fever or it dey feel pain all time or it not look or feel well, you need for do something quick one. If it dey bleed, hang drip on am or you give am blood. If it don't burn done, rub or massage the wound and give am medicine like oxytocin or misoprostol for make the wound tight. If you look like it get sick where they bread, begin give am antibiotic and hang drip on am. If you not able to do them here, quick one, send the woman a clinic where they near where go able to do them here inside 4 hours if it possible. Now, I go explain wetin you for do where you see the red light. Where you see the red light with arrow where they point up or down, you for all time check am again. Where it still show red, this na serious well body problem and you need for do something quick one. Where the light red with arrow where they point up, the blood pressure don't really high and the woman need treatment. Sometimes, the woman gets serious pre-eclampsia, sick where belle woman can get. Check the woman. Give am medicine for make the blood pressure calm down. Sometimes you for give am magnesium sulfate where it depend danger for get fixed. Sometimes you go want make the woman born. If you not able to do them here, quick one, send the woman go na clinic where they near you, where go able to do them here inside 4 hours if it possible. Where the lights they show red with arrow where they point down, the blood pressure don't really low and the heart they beat quick one. Sometimes the woman gets serious sick where they bread or it they bleed. Sometimes in life they pan danger. Call for make them can help you. Begin CPR. Blow breeze inside in nose or neck in chest. Treat the sick where they get the problem. If you not able to do them here, one time send the woman go na clinic where they near you where go able to do them here. You don't learn for use the CRADLE VSA for check the blood pressure and how the heart they beat. Now you can able use them light here for help you where you dey care for woman them. Remember, where the light green, the woman gets well body. Where the light yellow with arrow where they point up, this can mean say the woman gets pre-eclampsia, sick where belle woman can get, and you need for do more check them. Where the light yellow with arrow where they point down, this na normal thing for belle woman, but it can mean say problem they can start. You need for check the patient and decide waiting for do. Where the light red with arrow where they point up or down, this na serious well body problem and the woman need treatment quick one. Thank you for watching this film.